Everybody's talking about heaven like they just can't wait to go. Saying how it's gonna be so good, so beautiful. Lying next to you, in this bed with you, I ain't convinced. 'Cause I don't know how heaven could be better than this. Hey everybody, this is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Heaven by Kane Brown. Real quick, to all of you who have subscribed already, thank you so much. To those of you who have not, I would ask that you please do if you like this video, so you can get notified when I come out with new ones. Also, please hit the like button if you like it. So anyway, let's get into it. This is a great song by Kane Brown. It's actually the first one I learned to play by him. And it was one of the first songs that I started playing on guitar for country, so it's a really good one. There's a couple different ways to play this. I'm going to show you how to strum the whole thing if you want, and I'm also going to show you how to pick it. Well, the parts that they do pick on the album version. So you can do this with no capo, and if you guys want, just let me know in the comments if you'd like for me to make a video about how to play this without the capo. I'm going to show you how to play it with a capo on the 2nd fret in standard tuning, and the reason I'm doing that is because it's a lot easier, I think, to play this way. The other way is it's not crazy hard, but I just think I think it's better for you guys that are like very early on. Like that's who I'm catering my lessons to, is people that are very early in learning guitar. So let's get straight to it. I'm going to teach you how to play the intro first, okay? So you're going to do open on the D string, okay, and you're going to hammer on the 2nd fret. So it's going to be like this, okay? And you're going to do the same thing on the G string on the 2nd fret. So you're going to go, okay, can you see that? And then you're going to pluck again and slide down to 4, okay, on that same G string, and then hit 3. Okay, then you're going to go back to 4 and slide up to 2 on the G string, okay? So it goes, I'm just going to show you the first part of that. So it's on the D, O2, and then like O hammer 2, and then on the G, O hammer 2, and then you slide down to 4 on the G still, and then on the B string you do the 3rd fret on E. Sorry, on the 3rd fret you pluck on the B string. Okay, then you're going to go back to the G string on the 4th fret and slide up to 2, and then open on the G string. Okay, and then you're going to go 2 slide to 4, and then back to 2. Okay, so that's the first time you go through it. It's going to be. Okay, sorry, that last note was because I was starting over again, because that's what they do. But so that's how you play it at the beginning. Okay, then you're going to do it a second time. You're going to go same thing. All right, open 2, so open hammer 2, open hammer 2, slide down to 4, 3 on the B string, and then you're going to slide from 4 to 2 again. Okay, on the G string again, and then but this time you're gonna do it a little bit differently. You're gonna do hammer 2 again on the O hammer 2. So open, O is meaning open. So you're on the D string. So you're gonna do like that, okay, and then you're gonna go on back to the G string, and you're gonna slide from 2 to 4. You're gonna go, okay, so you're gonna go 2, 4, 2. But you're not sliding back up. You're just doing. So it's gonna be. Okay, I might have played that like slightly fast at the end, faster than I do, or than I guess it is they, because I don't think Kane Brown actually plays this live, but I think he has other guys play it. So, but anyway, that's how you play the intro part. Okay, now you're going to play that again later, but it's not going to be exactly the same. So then the verse is going to be, you're going to be on the D string. Okay, and this is on the 2nd fret. Remember, the frets are in relation to the capo. Whenever someone is teaching you, that's how they're talking about it. Okay. So you go 2 on the D string, okay, so it's 2, and then on the G string you're doing 4, and then you do open on the G string, and then you do 4, I'm trying to show you here a little bit, then you do 4 on the D string again. So it's, I can't sing it as low as he does, so I'm not even going to try. So it's, this is perfect. Come kiss me one more time. And then you repeat that, okay? So it goes. All right, sorry, I messed that up. It's. Okay, so I'm doing that because I've had some people say that they want to just see it played through right there without lyrics, so that's how that goes. Now, if it's easier for you to have lyrics, it's, this is perfect. Oops, sorry, this is perfect. Come kiss me one more time. I couldn't dream this up, even if I tried. You and me in this moment feels like magic only. I'm right where I want to be. Okay, I accidentally put an extra note there, but you don't need to. So that's how you play that part. Now, if you're playing it at a fire or for friends or something, you can play it that way. Or I'm going to show you a way to play the verses with the chords. Okay, so the chords you would use for the verses are going to be C, and then you're going to do G. And I recommend doing this G because it's very easy to switch from C like that to G. So you go C, G, and you're going to do E minor, okay, E minor, and then D. But that's not how you strum it. So you're going to do, so you would do, let's see, this is perfect. Come kiss me one more time. Couldn't dream this up, even if I tried. Now you can play it slower than that if you want, but it's just down. So I'm down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so that's how you play the verse in the chords if you want to. I never play it that way, but it's up to you. Okay. Now for the chorus, you're going to use those same chords. Actually, it's going to be the exact same, but you're not going to play them like that. It's so it's going to be a little bit more like this. So it starts out in C. It's. Everybody's talking about heaven like they just can't wait to go. Saying how it's gonna be so good, so beautiful. Okay. Lying next to you in this bed with you, I ain't convinced. 'Cause I don't know how heaven could be better than this. And then after you do better than this, you do. So you play through that once. You just do the first part of it once, okay? But now for the chorus, the way that you're going to strum it is, you can strum it the same way as I told you on the verse, but that's a little bit slow and it's not as filling. So I think you should do it more than that. So it's down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. So it's. Everybody's talking about heaven like they just can't wait to go. Saying how it's gonna be so good, so beautiful. Lying next to you in this bed with you, I ain't convinced. 'Cause I don't know how heaven could be better than this. Okay, so when you do better than this, you do. Okay, that's how you do that. So then at the end of the song, so you can play the chorus, the chords and the picking are interchangeable in this song. So you could, because you'll notice it's in the third chorus. Let's see. So I believe it's the third chorus here. He's going to go back into that and play the 2-4-0-4. Okay, that little picking pattern. So he does. Let's see, it is, yeah, so it's a, let's see. Everybody's talking about heaven like they just can't wait to go. Saying how it's gonna be so good, so beautiful. So you can play that there, and that's what he does. However, if I were you and you're playing it for just a group of friends or whatever, if you're okay with not playing it exactly how it's done, you could just play it softer, this part, okay? So it's, everybody's talking about heaven like they just can't wait to go. saying how it's gonna be so good, so beautiful. So that strumming pattern is very easy, right? And you could play that for the chorus earlier too, but it's going to have more strumming in it because you want it to be a little bit faster because that's what they do. So it's a down, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Okay, and you're going to get louder as you do that, louder and a little bit faster. But you're not going to sing the lyrics faster. You're just going to kind of put more strums in there. So it'll be everybody's talking about heaven like they just can't wait to go, saying how it's gonna be so good, so beautiful. Lying next to you in this bed with you, I ain't convinced, because I don't know how heaven could be better than this. Okay, then you can just do this at the end of the song. Could be better than this. Okay, so you could end there, but he actually goes back to that verse pattern where he goes, this is perfect. I can't sing it as low as him. This is perfect. Come kiss me one more time. And that's how he ends it, okay? So that's how the song goes. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments or special requests. And it's been real. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.